Ah! I always let my cat outside to play. I'll come outside and I'll call for him and he'll come right to me. Well, it seems that these birds apparently don't like him very much, or they just like messing with him. I've been waiting to camp to catch this on tape. Where you at, bird? Here you are.